guys, welcome back to another, but I'm not really in another video, but lately, if you have an Xbox, go and type up Mixer, and I'll be recording in better quality there. So, if you want to watch me on Mixer, where I'll be actually playing just Fortnite. My name is SuperCooper2388. Go and add me now. Okay?